So the Max is cool because unlike the traditional GoPro, it can record forwards and backwards when you choose the right setting.
Oh, okay.
So some people complain about my videos because they're like, your videos make too much noise, but right now I'm getting the forward POV and I'm getting us riding it at the same time. Two birds, one stone.
Watch him sing.
That hurts my arm so much. Man, you can feel the intensity in your hand. Jeez.
That's old school G.
The entire time.
That's good G-force.
Oh, you know what kind of ride I want to do?
You want to ride this in the back? I want to ride this in the back.
We can do that one. And we can do that one.
That roll's crazy up there. I forgot how intense that roll was.
Oh my god.
What should be? I just saw